Hello viewers, today is 21st of March, the year 2023. We are going to discuss more on algebraic expressions or the linear quadratics. These questions are copied directly from the KCSE Made Familiar workbook, a book that gathers KCSE maths questions both paper 1 and paper 2 from the year 1989 up to 2019. It is important to differentiate questions from the topic indices and questions from this topic, the quadratic expression. This is because their questions are always slightly the same in their outlook, and in most cases examiners may give similar instructions in tackling them. For example, they may use the term simplify. As you can see, they may use the term simplify. The difference between the two topics, the algebraic expression and the indices. In algebraic expression, we are given the difference between the two is that in algebraic expression are given, while in indices a whole number is given, though powers for you to prove that the difference. Watch the two topics in my YouTube channel by searching Mr. Kengo for MRKENGO. But you should also note that this is the algebraic expression. The questions are starting. This is KCSE questions for the past years. This is the KCSE question for the past years from the topic algebraic expression. I have copied the questions in this large paper so that they can be seen clearly. So I would like you to note the difference between the two topics, the algebraic expression and the indices. Note that in algebraic expression are given, while indices the whole number is given, though the whole number with powers is given. So we are going to continue. We are going to continue with question number. We are going to continue as in question number 1. Question number 1 states that factorize completely a squared minus 15ab plus 36b squared 2 marks. Okay, this is question number 1. This question was tested in the KCSE paper 1 of the year 1989. I don't know if you existed by then. Now solution, we say this is our solution. We say the expression, you see that this expression is already in the form. The expression is in the form the expression is in the form ax squared plus bx plus C. Therefore, the product is equal to A times C. Sum is negative. This is negative 15. Hence the factors are negative 12 and negative 3. Therefore we say A squared minus 12 AB minus 3AB plus 36B squared as you can see. A is a common factor. A is a common factor in the first part, and in the second part B, negative B is the common factor. Hence we say because A is common factor, we are going to say A into brackets A minus 12B into brackets minus 3B into brackets A minus 12. This is 12 minus 12B into brackets. We have factored out A because it is common, and here 3B because it is common in both. Then from here we are going to choose, because what is in the brackets, this part and this part are common. We are going to choose one out of the two. Then we are saying A minus 3B into brackets. We are good because A minus 12B. We have chosen either. You can choose either this or this. Now I have chosen this or the first brackets, and this is the answer. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. We have already factorized completely. This is the answer. Now for question number 2. We are in question number 2 now. Question number 2. This question is factorize 2x squared y times y squared minus 5xy minus 12. Here we say solution. We say solution. The equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The expression is the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we are going to multiply AC. AC is 24, negative 24. AC is negative 24. Now our sum is negative 5, and factors are negative 8 and 3. Hence we say we are going to factor out, because 2x squared and y squared, x squared and y squared are common, so we are going to factor out 2xy. Hence 2xy into brackets xy minus 4 into brackets. Then we say plus 3. Now here we are going to factor out 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. Then we say 3. This is plus 3 into brackets xy minus 4. 4 into brackets. Now we see that xy minus 4 and xy minus 4 are common. Therefore we say this is we are going to choose any, because this and this what is in the brackets and these are common. We choose either this. Then we say 2xy plus 3 into brackets xy minus 4, and this is the required answer. This is the required answer. 2xy plus 3 into brackets times 3xy times xy minus 4. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now this question was tested. This question was set in the year 1992's KCSE Maths Paper 1, and it was repeated in the year 2011. It was first tested in the year 1992, KCSE Paper 1, and it was repeated in the year 2011 Paper 1. Now we are going to question number 3. We are going to proceed to question number 3. Question number 3 states that question x minus y divided by x plus 2, x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 2x plus 20 divided by x squared minus 4. Now here we say solution. First, the difference. First, we are going to choose. We are going to start, because this question is a little bit complicated. We are going to look at, we first find the difference of two squares in the denominator part, because we cannot cross multiply because the way it is. We are going to look at some characters before we start. If you see such a question, you have to identify some characters. Your knowledge in mathematics will guide you to some of the characters. You cannot cross multiply if you see such kind of question. First, find the difference of two squares in the denominator of the second part of the equation. Hence, this part, you find the difference of two squares, this part. Now you are going to start with this part of the, find the difference of two squares in the denominator of the second part of the question. Hence, this part, we say that x squared minus 4. This one is the same as, this is the same as x minus 2 into brackets x plus 1 plus 2. No, this is x minus 2 into brackets x plus 2, because we are looking at the difference of 2 squared. Second, we find the LCM of the new denominator. Now we are going to find the, because this is the new denominator, this one we are going to replace it here. Then we are going to look the LCM, find the LCM of the new denominator now of the whole equation. We say that the new denominator will be x minus 2 over x plus 2 minus 2x plus 20 all over. This is the new denominator now, because we have started with this part. We say that because this part is equivalent to this, we say it's x minus 2 into brackets x plus 2. Now if you find the the LCM of this, of the denominator, it means that you are going to find the LCM of this and this. Now, finding the LCM is a little bit very easy. This is the third step. We say that x plus 2, x plus 2, and x minus 2. Then we say x plus 2. Now we are looking the LCM of this figure. We are looking the LCM here as normal. This is it looks to be a primitive way, but for us to remind ourselves on how to find the LCM. Now we are going. Now this part is, we see that x plus 2 is this part and x minus 2 is this part, and lastly x plus 2 is this part. Then we say we are going to divide by x plus 2. If we divide x plus 2, here we get 1, here we get x minus 2, and here we get 1. And if we say x minus 2, here we are going to get 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM of this x, this part of the denominator, will be x plus 2 into brackets x minus 2. This is the primitive way of doing LCM of the. There are other ways that we can reach the answer, but I have done it this way so that we remind ourselves on how to find the LCM. Then we say, after getting the LCM, we are going to say that after getting the LCM, we are going to say that x minus 2 into brackets x plus 2 all minus 2x plus 20 over x squared minus 2 into brackets x plus 2 into brackets. Here we are going to say that here we are going to, because this is our else, this is the equation now. This question is, we have copied it from here. Then we say we are going to divide by the LCM. Our LCM is x plus 2 into brackets x minus 2. If you divide this here, we get this is x minus 2. Here we have brackets. If we divide by this, we are going to get x minus 2 into brackets x minus 2. If we divide, we get that value. Then we say minus. If we divide here, we get 2x plus 20. 2x plus 20. 2x plus 20. Then we say this is over our LCM. By this, divide this, you get 1. By dividing that, you get 1. Then we are going to say that if you divide this part with this, we get 1. That's why you have this part of the question. Then we say x into brackets x minus 2 into brackets minus 2 to brackets x minus 2 into brackets minus 1 into brackets 2x plus 20. into brackets. Now, one is multiplied through here. -1 is multiplied through this part, which it will finally be x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x minus 20, which will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 20. This will further give us x squared minus 6x plus 4 minus 20. Now, here we say, if we multiply AC, we get product as AC, we get our product as -16, and sum is -6. Then the factors are 2 and -8. Factors are 2 and -8. Therefore, x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 here we are going to factor out x. We are going to factor out x as x into brackets x minus 8 x minus 8 now this part of the question is common. Then we say there is 2 somewhere here. There is 2 somewhere. Then we say x plus 2 into brackets x minus 8. And this is our final answer. This is our final answer, x plus 2 into brackets x minus 8. This is our final answer. Not really final answer. This is the final value of the numerator, not the numerator part of the question. This part of the question. This is the final value of the numerator. Therefore, the final answer is, we say the final answer will be x plus 2 into brackets, because this is the final answer of our numerator, but our denominator is this. Therefore, x plus 2 into brackets x minus 8. This will give us x plus 2 into brackets x minus 2. If you cancel out x plus 2 here, we are remaining with x minus 8 all over 2x minus 2, and this is our final answer. This is our final answer. This was tested in the year 1993's KCSE question number 1. This was tested in the year 1993 Maths paper 1. This was tested in the year 1993 Maths paper 1. Now we are proceeding to question number, that was number 3. We are proceeding to question number 4. We are going to proceed to question number 4. Question number 4, here 2x minus 2 all over 6x squared minus x minus 12 divided by x minus 1 all over 2x minus 3. We say solution. First, factorize the algebraic expression. First, factorize the algebraic expression. This part, we are going to factorize this part first, in which we say that this is first factorize the algebraic expression. Now product is a term C, which is negative 72, and sum is negative 1. Hence the factors are positive 8 and negative 9. This will give us x squared, 6x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 12. We have started with the algebraic expression, which is this part of the question. This will further give us 6x squared minus 9x plus 9. We are going to factor out 3x in 6x squared, which will give us 3x into brackets 2x minus 3 into brackets 4 into brackets, because if we factorize 8x minus 12, here we are going to factor out 4, then we say 2x minus 3. This will give us 3x plus 4. We are choosing any of what is in the brackets because it's common. We say 2x minus 3. Therefore, it's 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3. Factorization is the best. We should note that factorization is the best methods of solving quadratic expression, while quadratic formula is the only perfect formula to solve quadratic equations. Factorization is the best and perfect method of solving quadratic expression, while quadratic formula is the only perfect formula to solve quadratic expression, to solve quadratic equation. Second, we are going to say the second reciprocal of the second part. Now the first, we have solved this. Now we are going to look at the reciprocal of the second part of the question in line with the first part. Will be reciprocal of the first part, reciprocal of the second part of the question in line with the first part is, this will give us 2x minus 2 all over 3x plus 4 into brackets 2x minus 3 into brackets. This will be divided by x minus 1 all over 2x minus 3. Now we say that 2x minus 2 all over 3x plus 4 into brackets 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. Now here we say that this is the third step now. Factor out 2 into x minus 2 to cancel x minus 1. Hence we say that you factor out 2 into x minus 3 to cancel x minus 1, which will give us this will give us 2x minus 2, which will be the same as x into brackets x minus 1. That is into brackets because 2x minus 3 already cancels with the other here. We say that 2x minus 3 already cancels with the other. We are going to say that 2 into brackets x minus 1 into brackets all over 3x, this is 3x plus 4 into brackets 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 all over x minus 1. This will cancel as we say this will cancel with this, and this part will cancel with this. Therefore, our final answer will be, we are going to remaining with the 2 and 3x plus 4. Therefore, it's 2 and 3x plus 4. This is our final answer. Now, this question was set in the cases E Maths Paper 1 in the year 1994. For those men and women who did this question in 1994, this was the answer for your exam. Now we are going to question number 5. Question number 5. We are going to question number 5. Question number 5 states that simplify completely. Here we say, first start with solving the difference of two squares. We are going to start solving the difference of 2 squared, which is x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1. This is the first part we are going to start. Hence we say, here we are going to say that we first start solving the difference of 2 squared, which is this part, x squared minus 1. We say x squared minus 1, which is equivalent to x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1. This is the form of, therefore we say 3x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1 into brackets. Second, here we are going to the second part. We say subtract part 2 of the question from part 1 as stated. Subtract part 2 of the question. Subtract part 2 of the question from part 1 as stated. Then we say 3x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1 all minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Now we are going to find the LCM of this part of the question, where I have shown you how to find the LCM. Now, to get the LCM, we say that I have already shown you how to find the LCM in question number 3. We have solved the LCM here is, for this part of the question, is x plus 1 into brackets x minus 1. Therefore 3x squared minus 1 all over x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. This will give us 3x squared minus 1 minus brackets 2x plus 1 into brackets multiplied by x minus 1 into brackets all over x plus 1 into brackets x minus 1 into brackets. Then we say our numerator now will be we are going to solve our numerator now, then denominator. This is our numerator and our denominator. Now I will say our numerator is 3x squared minus 1 into brackets x brackets 2x plus 1 into brackets minus 1 into brackets 2x plus 1. Then you put a bigger bracket. Remember board mass here. Therefore, remember body mass in this part. Therefore, we say x into brackets 2x plus 1 into brackets minus 1 into brackets 2x plus 1 into brackets. This will give us 2x squared plus x minus 2x. I hope you are following me. Minus 1 by expanding by expanding the two parts of the expression in its initial form. We say 3x squared minus 1 into brackets 2x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1 all into brackets. remove the brackets by multiplying the values in it through by the -1, which will give us, if you multiply all by -1, we are going to get our final value as 3x squared minus 1 minus 2x squared plus 2x minus x plus 1. This will give us 3x squared minus 2x squared minus 1 plus 2x minus x plus 1. This will further give us x squared minus 1 plus 1 plus 2x minus x. Hence, x squared minus 0 plus x will further give us x squared plus x squared plus x. This is the last solution of the numerator part of the expression, but we already know that the denominator is our denominator is x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1. Therefore, our numerator, this is our numerator. Our numerator is x squared minus 1, not x squared plus 1. This will be, it will be over x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1, which will further give, if you factor out x into x plus 1, this will give us x into brackets x plus 1 all over x minus 1 into brackets x plus 1. This is in brackets. Now we are going to cancel. We cancel x plus 1 and cancel x plus 1. Our final answer is x over x minus 1. This is our final answer. X over x minus 1. I hope you are keen on following me. I hope you have followed me. Now, this question was tested in the year 1995, KCSE Maths Paper 1. This question was tested in the year 1995, KCSE Maths Paper 1. Now, I would like my viewers to try working question number 6. I am going to question number 7. Now, my viewers, try doing question number 6. Remember, I am doing this out of pity. I am always touched by those students who try their level best with no success. Please share to your family members and friends. Once you see this video, remember to download and watch it offline. Subscribe, click the small bell ones for weekly updates. I always give out weekly video for only mathematics. Now, my viewers, please try question number 6. We are going to question number 7, because we are going to question number 7. Question number 7 states that a plus 1 over b squared. First of all, the structure says simplify the expression. A plus 1 over b squared minus a 1 over b squared. a plus 1 over b squared into brackets minus brackets a minus 1 over b squared. Now here we say solution, then we are going to first part. This is our first part and this is second part. Therefore, for our first part, we are going to a over 1, this is over 1 plus 1 over b into brackets. Here we are going to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to get, because it's a times b, they are going to will be equivalent to ab. This will be equivalent to ab. This one will be equivalent to ab plus 1 over b all squared, which is also equivalent to ab plus 1 into brackets squared all over b squared. This is how part 1 can be written. Now the second part is a minus, our second part is a minus 1 over b. Here we say over 1. We say over 1 because then we cross multiply. This is square. We are going to cross multiply. After cross multiply, we get ab minus 1 all over b. This is after cross multiplying. Then we say ab minus 1 into brackets squared over b squared. Now for this we are going to apply the fraction rule. Here we are going to apply the fraction rule, which states that a over c minus b over c is the same as a minus b all over c. Therefore ab plus 1 into brackets squared minus ab minus 1 into brackets squared all over b squared. Now by factoring out and applying the laws of indices, we say that we are going to deal with the numerator part. We are by factoring and applying the laws of indices, we are going to get the upper part, the numerator part of the question. Here we are going to get this will be equal to 4. This is 4. This is 4ab. 4. This is because of our powers 4, 2, and 2. This is 4ab over b squared. B squared 4ab over b times b is the same as b squared. Now b, if you cancel b, we are going to remain with 4a over b, and this is our final answer. This was the required answer. This question was tested in the KCSE 2002. paper 2. This was a paper 2 question for the year 2002. This was a paper 2 question for the year 2002. We are going to question number 7. Not really. That is question number 7. We are going to question number 8. Question number 8 states that simplify. Now, by simplifying, here, step 1, we say solution. Step 1, cross multiply after multiplying in the denominator. Then find cross multiply after multiplying in the denominator, and then find the value, and find the values that will represent the numerator. Then we say that solution for this, we say a over, because we have cross multiply, we are going to cross multiply here. We say over 2a, we cross multiply, we multiply this, then we cross multiply, then we say plus 2b plus p all over 2a minus 2p. This will give us, now here we are going to cross multiply. We cross multiply, we say, here we say p into brackets 2a plus 2b into brackets a into brackets 2a minus 2b into brackets. Then we say 2ab plus 2b squared, 2ab plus 2b squared plus 2b squared, not really, this is 2ab plus 2b squared plus 2a, this is a, plus 2a squared minus 2ab squared. Now we are going to get, because 2ab plus 2ab, this question is, let me see it, this is 2ab plus 2b squared plus 2a squared minus 2ab squared. This will give us 2ab minus 2ab plus 2a squared plus 2b squared plus 2p squared. Yes, because 2ab and 2ab, yes, there is another 2ab plus 2p squared plus 2a squared minus 2ab, this is not squared, therefore 2ab minus 2ab is this 2ab minus 2ab plus 2b plus 2a squared plus 2b squared. Hence, this will 2ab and 2ab goes. We are going to remain with 2a squared plus 2b squared. This is our numerator. This is our numerator. Second step, expand the value of the denominator. We are going to expand the value of the denominator, this part. this we're going to expand the value of this part. Now this part is the same as this part, so by expanding the value of the denominator, we say that expand the value of the denominator, we say 2a plus 2b, then say 2a minus 2b. Here we go say 2a into brackets 2a minus 2b plus 2b into brackets 2a minus 2b. By expanding this will be 4a squared minus 4ab plus 4ab minus 4b squared. This will further give us 4a squared minus 4ab plus 4ab plus 4ab minus 4b squared. Now minus 4ab plus 4ab is 0. This will further give us 4a squared minus 4b squared. Remember, this is our denominator and our numerator is this. This is our numerator. Therefore, we say our numerator is 2a squared plus 2b squared all over 4a squared minus 4b squared. We are going to cancel here. If by 2 we get 2 and by 2 we get 1, or by 2 we get 2, by 2 we get 1. Therefore, this will finally give us a squared plus b squared all over 2a squared minus 2b squared. And this is final answer. This is final answer, or we can, this is our final answer. Note that you can't subtract 2, this 2 and the other, because a squared and b are different. 2a squared and 2b squared, 2a squared and 2b squared are different. Hence, this we are going to say, this is not really the final answer, but to say a squared minus b squared over 2. We are going to factor out 2 because it is common. Brackets 2 brackets, this is a, 2 is, this is a, because we have factored out 2 is common. A squared minus b squared. Now this is the final answer. 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 For questions number, we are going to tackle question number 9. We are in question number 9 now. We are in question number 9. Question number 9 states that simplify. Question number 9 states that simplify. Now factorize. Now question number 9. Here we are going to factorize the number. Factorize the numerator, then express in form of ax plus b, bx plus c. If you factorize the numerator, if you factorize this part of the question, now 12x squared plus ax minus 6a squared, if you factorize this, our product is a times c is given by negative 2. This is product sum, which is b, is equivalent to 1. And now ask yourself, what are two numbers that give us product negative 72 and sum 1? The numbers are automatically, these are our factors now, are negative 8 and positive 9. Therefore say 12x squared plus ax minus 6x squared, 12x squared minus 8ax plus 9x minus 6a squared. We have substituted the value of p with the new factor. Hence, here we are going to factorize. We are going to factor out 4 in 12. 4x into brackets 3x. This will give us x 12 squared minus 2a, which will give us 8a squared, 8ax, sorry. This is in brackets plus 3a into brackets 3x minus 2a. Now these are common factors, these and these are common factors, hence we say 4x plus 3a into brackets. We choose any of these which are common, is bracket 3x minus 2a. Our denominator is 9x squared. This is our numerator now. This is our numerator. Our denominator is given as 9x squared minus 4x squared. This is difference of two factors. This is the difference of two. Then we say here we are going to tackle it as this is our numerator. Our denominator is 9x squared minus 4a. Here is minus 4a squared, which will give us, this is equivalent to 9x squared is equivalent to 3x into brackets 3x minus 2a, because 4 is 4a squared into brackets a into brackets 2a into brackets 2a. 9x squared minus 4a squared is equivalent to 3x into bracket 3x minus 2x into 2a. Hence this will further give us 3x plus 2a into brackets 3x minus 2a, 3x plus 2a into bracket 3x minus 2a. Hence this will give us our numerator. This is denominator. This is our denominator. Our numerator is 4x plus 3a into brackets 3x minus 2a. Now our denominator is 3x plus 2a into brackets 3x minus 2a. Now we are going to cancel out this. We are remaining with 4x plus 3a over 3x plus 2a. And this is our final answer. 4x plus 3a over 3x plus 2a. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. This was KCSE question paper in the year 2008, paper 1 question 3. This was tested in the year 2008, paper 1 question 3. We are going to question number 10. We are in question number 10 now, which states that simplify. Question number 10 states simplify 3x squared minus 4xy plus y squared over 9x squared minus 9y. Okay, this is saying that our numerator is 3x squared. Our numerator is 3x squared minus 4xy plus y squared. Now our product is 3 times 1, which is 3, and sum is -4. Two numbers you multiply, get 3, add, get -4. Hence the factors here are -3. These are factors are -3 and -1 and -1. Yes, this, then we say that, then we say 3x squared minus 1xy minus 3xy plus y squared. This we are going to factor out x because it's common. We say x brackets 3x minus 1 into brackets minus y into brackets 3x minus y into brackets. We see that x minus 1 is common. We say x minus y into brackets 3x minus y. This is our numerator. X minus y times 3x minus y. This is our numerator. Our denominator is 9x squared minus y squared. This is under the difference of two squares, which states that a squared minus b squared is the same as a minus b into brackets a plus b. You should note that. Therefore 9x squared minus y squared is the same as 3x minus y into brackets 3 3x plus y into brackets. By expanding this, it will give us, if when you expand, it will give us, by expanding this will give us 3x into brackets, 3x into brackets, 3x plus y into brackets minus y into brackets 3x plus y into brackets. This will further give us 9x squared plus 3xy minus 3xy minus y squared minus y squared minus y squared, which will further give us, this is plus 3xy minus 3xy. This will cancel. This will further give us 9x squared minus y squared minus y squared. Hence, because this was our numerator, this is our denominator. This is our denominator. This is our denominator. Hence, our numerator is x minus y into brackets 3x minus y all over we were to confirm here, we were to confirm this part of the question. This is the part of the question that we were confirmed. We have gone to the original. This part is what we have been given here. Then this is our original denominator, but what we needed is this part. It will be all will be divided by 3x minus y into brackets, then 3x plus y into brackets. We are going to cancel this part of the, because they are the same. Then we say x minus y over 3x plus y, and this is our final answer. X minus y over 3x plus y. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. Then we are going to question number 11. Question number 11 states that simplify. Question number 11 states that simplify. This question was, or question number 10 was tested in the year, this was tested in the year 2000. Question number 10 was tested in the year 2000. It was in question paper 1, KCSE 2000. We are going to question number 11, states that 9t squared minus 25a squared all over 6t squared plus 19a plus 15a squared. Note that this question was tested in the KCSE paper 1, the year 2004. This question was tested in the KCSE paper 1, the year 2004. Now we proceed with the question. For this question, our numerator is 9t squared minus 25a squared different of two squares. Here we say 3t into brackets 3t minus 5a into brackets 5 5a. This will give us, this is further give us 3t plus 5a into brackets 3t minus 5a into brackets. Then go to our denominator. Our denominator is 6t squared plus 19a. This is 19at plus 15a squared. This will give us denominator factorize. If we factorize, product is 90, AC is 90, sum is 19, hence factors are 9 and 10. Factors are 9 and 10. Therefore 6t squared plus 19at plus 15a squared plus 15a squared will be 6t squared plus 9at plus 10at plus 15a squared. This will further, if you factor out here, we say 3t into brackets 2t. We have factor out 3t plus 3a into brackets plus 5a into brackets. We are factoring out 5a here, 2t plus 3a into brackets. Now this is our denominator. This is our denominator. Our numerator is here. Hence we say, we are going to say our numerator is 3t plus 5a into brackets 3t minus 5a into brackets all over 3t into brackets 2t plus 3a into brackets plus 5a into brackets 2t plus 3a. I hope you are following me. I hope you are following me. I hope you are following me. Here we are going to say that now this is 2t plus 3a, 2t plus 3 are common. Hence we say, we are going to say that here, because these are common, we are going to say first of all, we are going to say that these are common. Although they are common, we are going to say 3t plus 5a into brackets 3t minus 5a into brackets all over, because these 2t plus 3a are common, we say 3t plus 5a into brackets, we choose 1, 2t plus 3a, choose any. Hence this will finally, these are common. We are going to cancel 3a because these two here, we are remaining with 3t minus 5a over 2t plus 3a. Now this is our answer. This is our final answer and the required answer. This was tested in the year 2004. This was tested in the year 2004. Now we are going to work on the final question. Now we are going to work on the final question. This is our final question now. This is our final question. This is our final question. It says expand and simplify. This question was tested in the year 2002. Now we say solution. We say solution to x squared minus 3y cubed all into brackets squared plus 12x squared times y cubed. This one is equivalent to 2x squared minus 1. Note that minus 1. You can just look my previous video, or you ask me how did I came with the 1, but you minus 1. Minus 1 brackets 3y cubic into bracket squared plus 12x squared times y cubic. This will further give us 2x squared minus 12x squared y cubic plus brackets 3y cubic into brackets squared plus 12x squared y cubic. Then you say 2x squared plus 3y cubic all into brackets squared minus 12x squared y cubic. Y is in cubic, or y power 3 plus 12x squared y power 3. This will further give us 2 squared to brackets 2 plus 2 to brackets minus 3 squared into brackets 3 times 2 to brackets. This will give us, remember here we have x. Remember here we have x. Hence this will give us 4x power 4 minus, this is 9x power 6, and this is the required answer. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Remember, all these questions are from the golden tips. These questions are from the golden tips. KCSE revision, and I have managed to tackle all 10 questions. These questions were from the topic algebraic expression or the linear quadratics. Thank you for your time. If you would like to contact me in either WhatsApp, email, Telegram, or Hangouts, please, my number is 0770 48 22 10. Begin plus 254. Begin plus 254. Thank you for your time.